$92,000 worth of big badass Chevrolet. Oh, what are you doing? Oh my God. It's got lime green stitching in here. Hey, honey. Hey, baby. I wish you had a sunroof, but other than that, you are knocking daddy's dick in the dirt. Ha! I want my bison. Or let's say you want a real truck, a power wagon. Ooh, look at it, got a winch from the factory. The interior is juicy and right as rain. I mean, just put your arm out, extend it, and power. God. Which one would you choose? The General Motors product or the Stellantis?